Hi, thanks for joining me for another episode of Silicon Mind. Today I'll show you how simple it is to use ChatGPT to set up your diet. If you follow this video till the very end, ChatGPT will act as your own personal free dietitian. So from now on, every time you need another recipe for dinner or lunch or breakfast, or the diet for the whole day, all you'll have to do is send a simple prompt to ChatGPT and everything else will be handled for you. This week I'm at my parents' place and I'm going to show them and you how to prepare lunch using ChatGPT. I'm going to simply ask for 15 suggestions for meals which are high in protein, low in carbs, and relatively easy to make. Of course, in your case, you can specify the parameters of your meal based on your preferences, whether it is the cuisine type or the way of preparation or the cooking time, etc. So ChatGPT gave us 15 different options and I'm going to select the one which I like most. So I'm going to choose the lentil soup and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me the recipe. Looks like it is actually quite simple to make, so let's ask for the shopping list. Because I live in Europe, I'm going to ask it to give me the list in the metric system, just to make things easier. And just before I start cooking, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me the nutritional values in a table, kind of like you see on the back of packets of food. And now I think it's time to start cooking. Now that I've had my lunch, I am going to teach ChatGPT to become my very own dietitian. To do that, I'm going to tell it the specifics of my diet. So the number of calories I eat per day, the number of grams of protein that I need in my diet, and any other information that it needs to know about my food. So of course I'm going to ask it to be healthy, balanced, low in carbs, high in protein. I'm going to specify how many meals per day I'll have. So I'm going to have breakfast, lunch, a snack, and then a dinner in the evening. But in your case, of course, you can specify any parameters to your diet depending on your circumstances. If you have any potential illnesses that stop you from eating specific foods, you can also tell it how much time and money you want to spend on cooking those meals. So it's shown me an example diet for a full day, but what I want to see is how it's going to prepare a full week diet plan for me. So I'm going to ask it for a 5-day breakdown of my diet based on the parameters that I've already established. Oh, it looks like it's actually giving me 2 snacks per day, whereas I actually wanted 1. So I'm going to fine-tune my diet. So now that I have a 5-day diet plan, I'm going to ask it for the shopping list for the upcoming week, so I have my groceries ready for cooking. Oh, it looks like it's forgot to add the measurement, so I'm going to ask it to fix that for me. And this is how simple it is to use ChatGPT to set up your diet plan. And from now on, every time you'll need another plan for the week, all you have to do is make sure you use the same conversation that we've started and ask it for another diet plan. And it should give you another 5 days of recipes and a shopping list. And of course, you can fine tune it. So if, for instance, you really liked one of the recipes, you can let ChatGPT know that you liked it, and hopefully it will include that recipe in a future diet plan. And as a bonus to this video, there's one little trick that I really like. In the case where you have a limited number of ingredients in your house and you still want to prepare a meal using them, you can tell ChatGPT about them and it should come up with a recipe based on those. Of course, depending on how many ingredients you have. If you only have water and ice, probably that's not going to work. And that's it. That's how you use ChatGPT for cooking. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.